guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, it's me Ruchi. So with the title, you guys will be knowing like what this video gonna be. I just want to give a small intro, like literally a small intro before getting into it. I started vlogging like 3.5 years now, like 3.5 years back I started vlogging, and on YouTube I'm not that regular and I'm trying to be. I hope I will be really soon, but it's like it's been 1 year in YouTube and I'm very slow, like I've posted very less, but I will be sharing you guys like what I saw from other YouTubers and I have learned from other vloggers, and I will be sharing my tips and tricks for the equipment you already have. So without any further ado, let's get in the video. If you're a blogger or a YouTuber, I don't specifically think you need a camera. When I started back in 2017, there was so many budding artists, budding photographers who were interested to do collaborations. I don't know right now because I'm not taking any pictures with the photographers. I'm doing it by myself now for a year now. Yeah, so I got some pictures from there, like professional pictures with those very amazing photographers. But then if I'm not getting anybody to click my pictures, or if something is coming on my way, it's like a brand collaboration and I want to shoot for them, I use my phone. At that moment I had iPhone 6 Plus. And to the people who literally think like iPhone is a good phone to click pictures and Android phones are not, and you eventually want to invest on a good phone, that's absolutely good. Like you want to invest on a phone for capturing video, to take your pictures, to do some sort of things you like, it's good. But for the initial stages, if you are not capable of investing on something good, you can try it out with your own cell phone. I have seen so many good content creators like who just have amazing content on their page, clipped, edited by themselves on their phone itself. Like phones like Oppo, Vivo. Sorry, I'm not promoting Chinese thing, but if you already have those products, I'm telling about that. Realme, you can take amazing pictures with that from the back camera itself, and you can play it around with your editing skills. If you're not good with editing, like with Lightroom or Snapseed, you can definitely go out for an app called Precule. I think this is how it's pronounced. So yeah, you can go into that app because they have a few filters free for you. Like you can use so many filters in that. It's a free app to download and the filters are free, but if you want to use some more filters, you have to pay for that. But I think it's a good app. Like you have a preset filter edited and kept for you can use and adjust around with brightness or contrast, whatever you like. So if you are someone who is getting into this and don't know how to edit it, you can definitely try it out. And for the YouTube, actually I started YouTube doing with my phone itself, and I was not so good in taking videos on my phone. Abhi bhi वैसा ही है, I'm not good at that, but I will definitely tell you, like for editing I use it on my phone. अभी भी मैं अपने phone में ही edit करती हूँ. I'm not good with softwares and I'm learning. I have a laptop which is I think 7 years old. Yeah, I think. So I am planning to invest on a good laptop so I can at least edit. मुझे MacBook पे invest करने का बहुत मन है, but I have if you are going to invest on any equipment in your lifetime, for your lifetime for editing, I think you should do some good research. I have done a lot of research on MacBook, and right now I am a student and I don't think I should go on investing on something like MacBook Pro because there are two reasons. First of all, it's on the pricey side. Second of all, I am not into this as a full-timer. Like I'm not a full-timer YouTuber who is earning from this and who is getting revenue, or I am into with lots of subscribers. So Pro is a good editing MacBook I have seen, but I can't afford that. And I have seen a lot of people who are using their Windows they are just, I have a huge respect for them, like how you do it. I don't know how to do it and I'm still learning. It's a huge process, but if you are not good with editing, you can definitely try out an app called InShot on your phone. And I know so many people do that for their Instagram stories, for Instagram IGTV videos, for their YouTube videos, and I do the same. They have so many options and it's a free app to download. If you want some filters or if you want some effects on your video, you can purchase that, but that's up to you. So, and then I will surely say that after some point, if you like to invest on the things, then you can go for a vlogging camera. Like I have one vlogging camera which I got from my savings, and my father helped me through that. So I got a Sony Alpha and I should say that my luck is always very bad. I wanted to get Canon I think G7 Mark II, I think this is what it's named, but it was out of stock and I was traveling to Kerala after a very long time and wanted to vlog, and मेरे phone में space नहीं था. I don't want कि in that issue, for space issue, I delete my most important pictures or apps or backups, then मुझे उसके लिए रोना पड़े. So yeah, this is my camera. If you can see, this is Sony Alpha and I bought it for 30,000, I think 30 or 29, and I literally love this. And I use this for so many things, like for my blog, for my, you can see YouTube videos, for my clicking pictures when I'm traveling or at home. I click pictures in this, and it's a quite good budget friendly camera. And the plus point I think about this camera is you can change the lens when you wish to, and I think Canon में ऐसा नहीं है. The particular thing, the particular camera I was wishing to buy, I think उसमें lens change करने का option नहीं था, and this camera has, so I can buy a good lens when I wish to invest on something for good photography. So yeah, and then I would love to share something is like, if you are shooting from your phone itself, you can get this holder. It's just 150 rupees from Amazon. Can you believe it? There are so many options. You can invest on a much pricey and costly and good one, but मुझे इतना ज़्यादा, I just click random pictures and I rarely shoot any video now on my phone, so I just got this one and it's good. It holds my phone perfectly for any kind of, I just make few videos like dub smash kind of videos, or my photos or any IGTV video, so इसके लिए this one is good. Then for my camera, if I'm traveling, I got this one. It's pretty cute and it's also not so pricey. I got this one also from Amazon, and जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ for my blog, I can do this. I can attach this holder also on into this, and I can hold my phone. So I think it's a good deal if you are into vlogging or something. This one. And then I would love to tell, like मैं अभी as I shared, I am into vlogging for like 3 years, 3.5 something. But I never invested on ring light, and मैंने अब जाके किया है because I am currently into making content on IGTV and I want a good light, and sometimes it's like you are not getting proper light on where you wish to shoot or into your room or something like that, and I can't always go up to upstairs and do it because बहुत लोग होते हैं. I understand my feeling. So yeah. Sorry for the lame joke, but yeah, I invested on it abhi like 1 week ago, and I am pretty much happy about it. Like let me show you that too. See, this is the ring light I got, and it's the stand. Like I have 2 stands. This is the tripod I got, and it's gifted from my friends. So this also I got it from Amazon, and I'm pretty happy with it. If you are not having any kind of heavy cameras, you can buy this because I don't think it can support any heavy cameras, but it can definitely go for a vlogging cam or a phone. And this is my ring light and the ring light stand. I recently got it and it cost me around 5,000 including the ring and the stand. So this is what I bought like recently, and this tripod also I got this year itself in the month of Feb. My friends gifted and मैं उससे पहले तक अपने कैमरे को कहीं पे एडजस्ट करती थी या अपने फ़ोन को कहीं एडजस्ट करती थी. इन दैट सेम वे ओनली आई यूज्ड टू टेक माई पिक्चर्स ऑन यूट्यूब वीडियोज़. एंड आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर नॉट इनटू इट एंड आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट आउट. घर के जुगाड़, यू कैन कीप इट ऑन ग्लास, ऑन समथिंग बोर्ड्स और बुक्स उसके ऊपर रख के प्रॉपर लाइटिंग के साथ यू कैन डू इट. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first time I shot some equipment related video into my channel, and if you have any queries related to editing or doing something on YouTube, like how to get ideas and all those stuffs, let me know in the comment section. I would love to create a video on that. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.